TikTok Lite, free download. Avoid the traps, stuff that can get your phone hacked or whatsoever. So here, if you ever saw a link that says TikTok Lite for only blah blah blah, and you have to pay for something, or maybe suspicious things with a lot of ads and stuff like that, well, I highly suggest don't download from them. So you can download from two places. If you're using Android, you can download it from the Play Store, like as you can see right here, what I'm doing. Or if you're using iOS, you can download it on the App Store. So here on the Play Store, all we need to do is type in search on the middle. After typing in search on the middle, type in TikTok Lite. There you go, TikTok Lite. After typing in TikTok Lite right there, you will see TikTok Lite right there. All you need to do, this is all what you need to do. Click on install. That's all. It's completely free, no payments or whatsoever. And before we end this video, I would like to give you an a suggestion. You can use Wise account. If you don't know, if you don't have a Wise account yet, and if you don't have a Wise account yet, I got you guys. So you can watch our other videos here on the channel about Wise. You can type in WISE for Wise. For Wise, you can hold multiple currencies, send currencies with low fees, and it uses the mid-market exchange rate, which means whatever rate or exchange rate you see on Google, that's the same as what you will get or the person you're sending it to will receive. So yeah, I suggest if you don't have a Wise, get a Wise now. You can use our link on the description down below. Completely free. Only takes a few minutes of your time. Anyways, guys, there you go. Thank you, guys. I hope you guys did the video. Enjoyed. If you have any more question, concerns, tab the question below, guys. And as you can see right now, our TikTok Lite has now been downloaded. Now all you need to do is open it, and we're done. There you guys. Hope you guys did the video. Enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, tab the question below, guys. Have to answer as soon as possible. And there you guys. See you guys on the next one. And there you go. Thank you, guys.